Hello, everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great trading day today. All right. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Let's go over the markets. The Dow was down again. So, guys, that's what 3 days, 4 days, 4 down days on the Dow. So the Dow was down today over 330 points, guys. That's a big down day. All right. Nasdaq was down, S&P was down, Russell was up. All right, so this is somewhat concerning, right? We'll see if the selling continues. We do have 3 down days, and we can actually count this white candle here. All right, but we got 3 red candles, guys, on the Dow. That's not good. Now the Dow is still holding. I'm surprised, still holding that buy signal. Should have closed yesterday or today. All right, so still holding that buy signal, but that should come in any time now. But we're gonna consider, all right, sell signal because we've got a red candle here on the Dow. We've got support right here, right here on the Dow, right here, right, support right here. But again, very difficult sessions definitely last 3 days. 3 red candles, those are sellers, so that's a concern there. Okay. On the S&P, all right, still holding green candles. We have resistance here. All right, if that selling continues in the Dow, we'll see that come in, follow through in the S&P. All right, so S&P is holding its buy signal for now. All right, Nasdaq holding its buy signal here for now. All right, although they had down days, they're still holding. And then the Russell, right? We had a red candle, so sellers struggling, right? Going back and forth. Resistance is here, so we'll see what happens tomorrow. All right. Based on the selling, we could see the market sell off tomorrow on Friday. All right. The VIX, guys, we finally got a green candle here on the VIX. All right. That's not good. The VIX is at 1447, keeps moving higher. All right. Remember, as the VIX moves higher, that's increased volatility, which is bad for stocks. All right, so just remember that. All right, sectors still holding. All right, 3 are down. So what's down? Home construction is down, energy and transportation is down. All right, so keep that in mind. Let's go through current positions. Right, current positions in Monster Scalper. All right, we'll take a look at the 60 minutes, so long positions on the 60-minute time frame. All right, long positions on the 60-minute time frame. All right, HKD, JPY, that one closed, guys. Buy signal was here, right? Red candles came in, sell signal, so we should be out of this trade right here. HKD, JPY, we should be out of that trade. All right, USD, JPY, so buy signal here. Red candle should be definitely be out on that first candle here. Close the trade. All right, don't wait for those sell signals. Use your red candle. Those are considered sell signals. All right, USD SEK buy signal here was moving up nicely. All right, futures, guys, the dollar, right, was trying to make a move high. It's consolidating right here. Currently, the dollar index is down. That will influence those dollar trades. Okay, so buy signal here, right, was going up nicely. Sellers came in, red candle, closed the trade. So USD SEK closed the trade, please. USD HUF, all right, that trade closed. All right, good trade here. All right, here's your markdown phase, buy signal right here. All right, close on a break of support right here. Great trade here. So bought here, sold here. There's a good chance, looks like, right, it breaks resistance here. We could get another buy signal on USD HUF, but for now, we'll close it. All right, USD HUF closed that trade, please. All right, USD DKK buy signal was here. All right, sell signal came in right here. All right, red candle closed the trade. All right, and it made it to its target. Just a pullback here, bought here, sold here, closed the trade. USD DKK. All right, so these pairs, dollar pairs are closing. All right, hey Anthony, welcome, welcome Anthony. USD CAD, dollar CAD. All right, nice markdown phase, guys. Buy signal here, hit resistance right here. Right, sellers came in, sell signal right here. Close the trade, please. All right, dollar CAD. So we see what's going on. The dollar pairs are closing. All right. USD CAD closed the trade, please. All right. USD HKD buy signal was here, broke resistance, holding firm here. All green candles. We'll leave this one. USD SGD buy signal was here, broke support, red candle here, closed the trade. All right. I know it's frustrating when this happens, guys. Nothing we can do about that. All right. Same thing happened here. All right. Where sellers came in here, sellers are coming in here. We could see price move higher. All right. Take your profit, take your loss, move on. USD SGD, close the trade, please. All right. Dollars are holding firm. Buy signal here. All right. On a break of this resistance right here. All right. Here is your pullback or markdown phase. And here we are here, still holding firm. All right, buy signal here on a break of resistance, all green candles. Look at this, good price action. Dollars are holding firm, okay? All right, we talked about USD HKD. USD PLN, that one closed, guys. Here's your markdown phase, markup. Buy signal was here on a break of this resistance. All right, support, I guess, came in right about here. All right, sell signal came in right here to close the trade. So bought here, sold here, closed the trade. Please, USD PLN. USD MXN, that's your Mexican peso. Good trade here. All right. Here was your resistance, a retracement right here. Can we call this a markdown phase? Yeah. All right. Buy signal here, broke support, red candle, sell signal right here. Close the trade here. Good, decent trade there. USD MXN. Okay. All right. We added euro pairs on this. This is on the 60-minute time frame. Okay. So Euro Aussie. All right. Euro Aussie that closed the trade there. All right. Very suspicious about the euro pairs. So trade those accordingly. All right. EUR PLN. We got support down here. All right. I guess you can call this your markdown, markup. All right. Buy signal here. It's holding firm right now. Purple support and resistance. Next target here. Very choppy trading though. EUR PLN. I'm holding. EUR CZK. That one closed. Okay. Buy signal here. All right. Made it past resistance. Came on back down. Closed here. All right. So EUR CZK closed the trade, please. EUR NOK also closed. All right, buy signal here. Red candles came in. Previous resistance becomes support. Red candle, sell signal, closed the trade. So EUR NOK. So we've got USD HKD still holding. Monster scalper, 60-minute. All right, dollars are still holding. Dollar CZK. All right. Let's close this one here. Forgot about this one. All right. So USD CZK, good markdown phase. All right. The target was right back to resistance and it perfect trading. All right. So buy signal was here. Right. Made it all the way past resistance. Previous resistance becomes support on the way down. Sell signal right here. Bought here, sold here. Good trade here. USD CZK. All right. Here's your markdown phase, markup phase. Good job here. USD CZK. All right. So USD HKD, that's left. USD CZK. All right. Wait a second. USD NOK. All right. All right. Which was the one? All right. I'll look this over and figure it out, guys. Okay. So USD PLN. Let's go to 240, 240-minute time frame. 240-minute time frame here. In Monster Scalper. So those were the 60-minute and now the 240. Long positions. Okay. Long positions in Monster Scalper. We have a lot of pairs to go through. We have some shorts also. SGD JPY. All right, that trade closed. Guys, there's nothing we can do about this. All right, bought here on a break of resistance, reaccumulation trade. Previous resistance becomes support. Price came back down, red candle, right? White arrow here, sell signal to get out. Bought here, sold here, gotta get out. All right, if buyers come back in, we'll see that. We might have a second chance to take the trade, but for right now, close the trade. SGD, JPY. All right. CHF, Swiss yen, buy signal here on a break of this resistance. And this trade is moving up nicely here. All right. Clear break of resistance. And we have very defined support right here. So there's a clear breakout, buy signal here. Really good price action. No support, no resistance. We have a high here, but no resistance. All right, right here. Okay, nice price action there. CHF JPY, HKD JPY, that trade closed. We were looking for a break of resistance right here. All right, this is where sellers have been. We can see that right here and here. Right, bought here, broke support right here. Red candles coming in, close the trade. HKD JPY. All right. USD JPY. Same thing here. Bought here, sold here. Sellers coming in, red candle there. USD JPY on the 240. All right. CAD yen. All right. Bought here. All right. Previous resistance becomes support. Red candle, sell signal, close the trade. Just remember, these yen pairs will move with the equity markets. All right. So these yen pairs will move as the equity markets move lower. All right. These yen pairs will move lower also. Okay. Pound yen. Pound yen close, guys. Big trade here in pound yen on the 240. Finally closed. Great trade here. So buy signal was here. Closed. Broke support. Red candle. Perfect trade here. Pound yen. Very difficult pair to trade, but system traded it really, really well. So bought here on a break of resistance, broke support, red candle. All right, white arrow there, closed the trade. Good trade there. Okay. So we're cleaning things up. New Zealand CAD, buy signal here on a break of resistance, guys. Look here. All right, broke support, right here. Sell signal, close the trade. All right, New Zealand CAD, close the trade. All right, USD, HKD. All right, we'll hold this for now. All right, USD, HUF, Monster Scalper, 240 long. Buy signal here. That's holding so far. USD, PLN, buy signal here. That's holding. USD, CZK. All right, struggling to hold, but holding right here. Need buyers to come on back in there. USD, MXN. All right, good trade going here. Buy signal here and heading towards high right here. Wouldn't call this resistance, just a high right here. USD Mexican peso. Okay, but good job. Pound yen, good trade there. Euro ZAR. All right, guys, good trade. He'll go in here with Euro ZAR. The ZAR pairs trying to make a move. All right, but they're so volatile. All right, here's your markdown phase. first trade failed out of the markdown, out of the markup phase. This one so far is holding buy signal here and getting past resistance. So we'll move. That target is right here. We'll keep it right here. See how sellers and buyers react to resistance right here. Let's see if we have another resistance. We have another resistance all the way up here. All right. So if it gets past resistance here, let's see what it does up here. EUR, ZAR, Euro, ZAR. Okay. Pound, ZAR, almost identical. Okay. So these ZAR pairs, I know they're expensive. I know they're volatile. All right. First trade here. Second trade, target right up here. All right. All right. Pound ZAR. Okay. Now let's take a look at shorts. We had a few shorts. Stocks, they've been under pressure all week, guys. Hasn't been a great week for stocks. All right, we'll take a look at those. All right, shorts on 60-minute time frame in Monster Scalper. Okay, let's go through those. All right, Aussie yen. Aussie yen sell short signal was here, guys. Buy to cover here. All right. If you guys are trading on that 60-minute time frame, just a tip. All right, we won't do it here, but our monster scalper traders, if you notice here, even on the 60-minute time frame, where that price right hits your target here, you guys can look here. You can see where you've got support right here. All right, especially here, and even here we can count. Okay, that price went all the way to that target. Reduce that time frame. So we're in a 60-minute time frame here. If you know it's reached that target, right, just move that time frame to a 15-minute time frame so that you can get out early. Okay, all right. So, but we're gonna close it right here. All right, Aussie yen, close the trade, please. All right, just a little tip there. Pound yen. All right, sell short signal is here. All right, still holding firm. All right, it's right at resistance. Good news, we've got red candles here. All right, if it breaks up here, gives a green candle, that's going to close. All right, buy to cover there. So we'll close that trade. So far, though, we could see, we've seen it before, where sellers come on back down, push that price down lower in the markdown phase. We do have purpose support and resistance here. That's encouraging. All right, so pound yen, we'll leave it for now. CAD yen, same thing. Sell short signal here. I think we called it right about here. We need sellers. It's holding right here. This is not good. Yellow support and resistance. So we need sellers to come on back down. Just remember, support is here. So if it comes back down, support is here, right? You might want to move that time frame to a smaller, keep it on your 60, right? But you can just bring in a smaller time frame, kind of like here, 15-minute time frame, all right? Even a 5-minute time frame to manage your exit, all right? All right, all right. All right, euro yen, same thing here. We need sellers to come on back down. I know this is hard, right? When these trades go down like this and pull all the way back up, very, very difficult to manage. Okay, so try to keep your composure. HKD JPY, sell short signal here, that's holding. New Zealand yen, sell short signal here, that's holding. Yellow support and resistance. So we're getting higher highs, higher lows within the markdown phase. Okay, so just remember that. SGD JPY, all right. We have a white candle here. We need sellers to come on back down. Support. That's not support, that's just a low. All right. All right. And ZAR yen. All right, ZAR yen doing well. Sell short signal is here, moving down nicely here. ZAR yen, right? You've got support down here. So I would say if it gets to that support, and that would be a big move down, right? Start reducing your time frame to find your exit. Okay. All right. So it's on a 60-minute time frame. Like I said, 30, 15, 30 might be too much. 5 or 15-minute time frame to get out of the trade. Okay. All right. Especially on short, guys, because buyers can come in really heavy. See how they did here and here at some of these support levels. Okay. All right. 240-minute time frame short in Monster Scalper. Okay. That was a 60-minute. Let's take a look at the 240 here. All right. ZAR yen. ZAR yen sell short signal is here. Looks good. All right. Good price action. We've got support right here. So keep in mind as it gets closer to that support, reduce that time frame and just monitor it as it gets closer to support. We know support is here. Buyers are here. So as it gets to that area here, reduce your time frame. So we're trading on a 240 here. Might want to take a look at a 60, 30-minute time frame as it gets closer to support. If sellers are still in control, right, and it looks like it will break through that support, keep it open. All right. ZAR yen, good trade going here. Good short trade here. Euro yen. All right, sell short signal here, pulling up a little bit. Now, keep in mind, guys, overall, the overall trend with these yen pairs are up. You know, we've been up for a long time. So be careful with these yen pairs. All right, we could see buyers come in, and all of a sudden, we are continuing that overall trend. So these are counter trend trades. So just be careful. All right. If you see white candles coming in, green candles, you might just want to close that trade even before a green candle there. Okay. Euro, you can always get back in. Euro yen, sell short signal is here. So keep an eye on that. That's not good there. CAD yen. All right. CAD yen, same thing with CAD yen. And yes, we've had selling in equities, but that can change. We've seen the market do that, right? Can go from long to short quickly. All right. Sell short signal is here. White candles. What we like to see is sellers come on back down, but this is a tricky area. All right. And if you see buyers, here's the short, right? See what's happening here. See what happened before here. All right. So, all right, what we need to see, sellers come on back down. If it fails, that's short signal fails. You see buyers break through that resistance. All of a sudden, they're moving higher. So don't get squeezed if you're shorting this. Get out quickly. Get out quickly. Protect your capital. Aussie yen. Aussie yen. Same thing here. Okay. So you guys see what's going on here. All right. This trade, this short trade, short yen trade might be a bit early. All right, resistance right here. So what would be nice is to see sellers come on back down, move that price lower. All right, just like which one was it? ZAR yen. Was it ZAR yen? Like this. This is what we need to see. All right. All right. So Aussie yen. This is what we need to see here with the other pairs. Aussie Swiss. All right, good trade going here. Aussie Swiss did break that trend line. So this is what we want to see, guys. But no guarantee that these yen pairs will do that. Yen pairs have been strong. And we've done really well trading the yen pairs long. Okay. So this one here broke support, broke the trend line. Sell short signal is here. This is what we like to see here. Look at this. Absolute falling knife. Lower highs, lower lows. Look at this. Good price action here. Support on this, I would say. Oh, Let's bring that support down here. So right about here. All right, first support level, then all the way down here. Okay, and the way it looks good. Good price action. All right, to come on down. Aussie Swiss. All right, New Zealand Swiss. Same thing here. Okay, so it's broken that trend line, broken support right here. All right, good price action. But Aussie Swiss looks really good. All right, look here. See that price action here? All right, look at Aussie Swiss. Look at that price action here. Almost identical, but boy, that looks good here. All right, those are the shorts. Now equities. Before I forget, let's take a quick look at the US 30 of our US 30 traders. And then we'll take a look at equities. Great trade, guys. Great trade going on the US 30. So big congratulations to our US 30 traders who are trading the US 30. We traded here on the 60-minute time frame. All right, sell short signal is here. This is still holding. It's on the 60-minute time frame. All right. The concern right now, we have yellow support and resistance. So we've, it's holding right now, right? Price is holding support. We've got in higher highs, higher lows within the markdown phase. That's not good. Support is right here on that daily. All right. So we are getting near support. Okay. So I wouldn't say close the trade right now, boy, but pay attention to it. Let's see if we reduce the time frame. We trade on a 60. Let's bring it to a 30. So the 30 closed. All right. Here's the 30-minute that closed. So if you want to close it, that's fine here. Take those profits. Those are great profits for the US 30. All right. 15-minute time frame also closed. All right. So we're going to leave it open, but for our US 30 traders, if you guys are trading the US 30, go ahead and close it. Take profits, okay? So it's closed on the 15-minute. All right. No sell short signal, no new signal. All right. It's closed on the 30-minute here. All right. That's a lot of money, guys. Okay. And we're getting near support here. So we'll leave it open. It's open here, so we'll leave it. But there's a good chance, right? We might have to buy to cover here, right? We could see no white candles yet, though. Okay, so we'll leave it open. All right. Let's see what the futures are doing. Futures, what's it doing? Okay. All right. So it's down in the futures market. So we'll see. But it never hurts to take profits. Never hurts to take profits. Okay. The NAS quickly here. Let's see what the NAS is doing. I don't think we've got anything here on the NAS. We've got a short going here on the NAS. We need to see the NAS at a minimum get a white candle here. All right. So hold off on the NAS 100 for now. All right. Okay. Equities. All right. Stock Boss, Bullmaster. All right. AMC. Let's see what it's doing here. All right, guys. AMC is right at support right here. I want to say close that trade. All right. It's right at support right here. All right. So right at that buy signal here. We'll hold it for now. We need buyers to come on back in though, but that's tricky right here. White candles here, lower highs. See, lower highs right here, lower lows. All right, that's tricky there. GameStop got a bounce today. All right, so green candle came in today. It's got to get past resistance here at 26.90, 26.96. Okay, so GameStop doing better than AMC. It's holding right here. ORGN, all right, good price action on a down day. right? Looking to get past resistance here. Buy signal here, right? Good price action. ALK. Boy, that's holding support here. Difficult trading here. Buy signal at 143. Holding closed at 121. We'll hold it for now. Hopefully, right, we can see buyers come in. All right. We've got a decent risk reward. This one fell from almost $9 to buy 142. Okay. So keep an eye on that one. EBS, that's holding. Good price action today. All right. EBS. ME, all right, right, trading right between support and resistance. What's encouraging, we've got two big healthy candles here. I know this is a pullback, all green candles need to break through that resistance, okay, and good risk reward. ADTN, and we're not adding, guys, with the selling this week. You notice we're not adding any picks, all right. Buy signal here, bit of a pullback, looks strong to break out right here. Target, let's move that target. First target right here. Good markdown phase, good risk reward. All right, fell from 25, trading at 557. ADTN. All right. MAXN, guys, this one gap down, red candle, sell signal, so close the trade, please. All right, nothing you can do about this. All right, there's nothing that can be done. All right, so on the open, it was trading right here. Buy signal was 356. This will happen sometimes. Gap down at the open. So it closed yesterday at $3, but gap down. All right. So after our pre-market trading, they sold it. Gap down at the open. Sell signal came in right here, 171. We've got to close the trade. All right. Nothing we can do there. MAXN, close the trade, please. It was holding fine. TAC, all right, good markdown phase. Look at this. That's your discount. Buy signal here. All green candles right here. We need to break through resistance right here. All right here. Looks good. Good price action. All right, good risk reward fell from, what's that? Well, not so good risk reward. 11, looks like it's good risk reward. 11 and change, trading at $7. Okay, TAC. So that's Stock Boss, now Bull Master. So those were small caps. Small caps, they've had a difficult time, guys, with the Russell. Remember, right? Small cap stocks, right? Those are controlled by the Russell, which is right here. They've had a difficult time. We can still find some opportunities, but difficult trading. Just be aware of of the indexes. The indexes is what will help your stocks. Okay, so Bull Master, large caps, those have been doing much better. All right, NEP, all right, that's holding. Good price action here. All right, buy signal came in on a break of resistance here, holding firm. RCL, Royal Caribbean, good reaccumulation trade right here on the break of resistance. Right here, it's been trading fairly well. All right, bought here, well, several trades here. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. Buy signal here, holding firm. All right. CLS, look at CLS. All right. These are large caps. All right. So they're a bit more expensive, but these companies tend to hold these stocks much better. All right. And you get a lot of reaccumulation, right? So new buyers are entering. So bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. Buy signal here, breaking resistance. CLS, holding firm. CRWD, crowd, all right. Buy signal came in a break of resistance, reaccumulation trade. Nice trading in here, but guys, this is where it failed before. Sellers came in here. So this resistance here, that's tough resistance. All right, tough resistance here. They came in heavy today. Red candle here. We got to close the trade. So buy signal was at 333. Sell signal came in today. All right, at 315. We have to close this trade. All right, that's a big red candle here. Right, this is what could happen. Sellers could come in. all of a sudden push that price to support, break through that support, and move lower. I'm not saying it will do that, but that's a big candle here. That's a big choice that they made. All right, to move that price lower. That's a lot of selling right here, guys. All right, and this is a strong stock. All right, so for them to sell it like this in one day, and they really see right here, this failed here. Every time it gets above this resistance, they knock it back down. Okay, so close the trade. CRWD. Okay. All right. GNRC buy signal here, holding above resistance. This is where sellers are. All right. This is where it gapped down. Right, gapped down the last time. Right at this price is here. Right in here. See here. All right. So here we are. It's holding firm, but boy, keep an eye on this. Okay. GNRC hood trading fine above resistance. This is what we need to see. All right. Good markup phase. Let's bring in our trend line. So that's reaccumulation. Okay. Guys, don't expect anything differently, right? We do the same thing over and over. Trading is what we do. I know it seems boring, but it's what we do. All right. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, buy signal here, trading above resistance, reaccumulation. Hood looks good. All right. MNDY. All right. We're going to close this, guys. All right. Buy signal here, failed to hold above resistance. Look here. All right. This is where it struggled to hold above resistance. Here, here, and here. Here we are. Buy signal here. And it's struggling right now. We'll close this. MNDY. All right. Find another opportunity. There are other opportunities. Okay. MPWR. That's holding. All right. NTNX. Gap down, broke support, broke previous resistance, become support. See here, the gap down, guys. All right. So right here, that resistance level, that's didn't hold. All right. So gap down, big red candle, sell signal, close the trade, please. All right. All right. Previous trade did really well. All right. This is not good for the equity markets. All right. So some of these big stocks are failing. All right. So we'll keep an eye on that. All right, PSTG, that's holding. RVTY holding between support and resistance. WIX is holding. ANF, good job, holding firm. GOGO, that's holding in bull master. Netflix is holding above resistance. Sellers are here. Here's your resistance. Here's our buy signal here on a break of resistance. That blue triangle right here, blue arrow. This candle right here, it's holding. This is what we need to see. We need to see these buyers hold even on a down day. Okay, that's holding. All right, holding, holding, holding. And UNG, let's take a look here. All right, guys, I think we'll close this here. All right, if you notice here, see where the way it's trading here. See this move up. All right, this type of trading here loves to do this. See here. Hold on. All right. So notice here, that goes up, comes down. Watch out for these patterns. See how we did that here? It's doing the same thing here. All right. So see, buy signal here went all the way up, could come all the way back down. Okay. White candle here. So buy signal here, take that small profit, get out of this trade. Okay. It could come all the way back down, just like it did here, here. All right. So UNG, close the trade, please. All right. Last one, Bullmaster Pro with fundamentals. So these stocks are a bit more expensive, All right, so bull master, but we've got fundamentals. So these are the really strong stocks. If these stocks are not holding, right, then we need to be concerned. All right, we don't close everything, just really pay attention. AVGO, buy signal here, right? Struggling to hold, white candle right here on near-term support right here. We need buyers to come on back in tomorrow, all right, or early next week. All right, Microsoft, all right, oh boy. Microsoft here, resistance here. This is too bad for Microsoft. Resistance is right here, guys. Buy signal, we will hold, we were right here, right? It was building right here, looking for a breakout, right? It broke a little wedge here. We got a big white candle here. We've got to close Microsoft, all right? All right, so buy signal here, failing. All right, now we could see buyers come back in, but that's a big white candle there, and it broke that trend line and it actually gapped down. So we'll close it for now. Okay, if buyers come back in, retest that resistance, we'll look at it again. All right, so Microsoft remove that trade. All right. All right, NVIDIA. All right, NVIDIA is still holding, right? So buy signal here. First buy, well, several buy signal. Most recent, bought here, sold here, buy signal here on the gap up. Now it is holding. Let's do this. We need NVIDIA to hold above the gap. All right, if it fills that gap, that's not good. All right, so we gapped up here and then we gap up here. Right now, it needs to hold above this gap. If it fills that gap tomorrow or next week, that's a concern. We could see that price come all the way back down to 974 right here. All right, let me open this up. Remember, it's not what we want. It's what, what the price is doing. So 974 is right here. This is where it made its move here. All right, big move, buy signal here. So gapped up here. The goal is it's got to hold above 1105. All right, 1105 is where it's got to hold right here. Can't fill that gap. Not now. All right, fills that gap. We could say come all the way down to your support right here. Okay. Carver, good move in Carver, guys. All right, reaccumulation phase. All right, buy signal here was at 37, sell signal 60, give another buy signal at 71. Good price action. All right, went against all of that selling today. I'm trading at 90, 93 right now. Good job. Good news. Carver has great great fundamentals. All right. ACGL, that's holding. ASPN, good move here. Buy signal here. Look at this stock, guys. All right. Trading choppy in here. Choppy in here. This trade did well. All right. Most recent buy signal right now. Buy signal came in at 19.63. Strong fundamentals on this. All right. In Bullmaster Pro. Close today at $29. And this is the type of strong stocks. This is the way they need to behave. All right, when the markets are down. All right, imagine if they're holding like this, right? Even Carver, when it's making moves like this, I think Carver was up 5-6% on the day. I'm sorry, four, little 4%. When it's strong like this on a down day, could imagine what it will do on an up day. Okay, all right, guys, that's all I've got. Our US 30 traders. Just remember. Monster scalper traders clean things up. Okay. I doubt we'll have a lot of pairs overnight or tomorrow on Friday. You never know. But gear up for next week. Our US 30 traders, let's see here. That's 60-minute short. All right. Manage this trade if you stay in it. All right, just make sure you manage it. Protect those good profits. All right, we don't get trades like this in US 30 every day. So when you get them, make sure you get on them. And then if you do, protect your trades. Okay. All right, guys. I will see everyone back here on Sunday. All right. Back here on Sunday. And I want to congratulate you guys. I'm sure you guys saw the success story we sent out on Monica. All right. Monica did a great job trading Monster Scalper, pound yen. I just want to show you guys her trade here. Pound yen on the 60-minute time frame. She did an amazing job. Never traded before. And she hung with this trade. Which one was it? Right here. And she hung with this trade, guys. She hung all the way. And you guys know pound yen really moves fast. It's the biggest mover in all of Forex, pound yen, right? Very difficult to trade. And she held it, right? She got in on that buy signal, worked with her to get her in that trade. And guess what? She held on all on this pullback here. This is what will get us out of these trades. All right, because we look at our P&L and it goes from positive to negative to negative. That drawdown continues to build and we close the trade. That's what we do. And all of a sudden, guess what? It goes in our favor. So she held it here, and this takes a lot of patience. As a brand new trader, I don't know if I could have done that. All right, held it here on that pullback, and then she was in it. And she finally sent me the text that she closed out on this buy signal there. So you guys get a chance. We've got her success story video on there. Just give her a big congratulations. For a brand new trader, she's never traded before. Just amazing. Okay, so that's the type of work we do. This is work. It's not easy. And she's been working really hard once she got out of her coaching. All right, guys, take care. I will see everyone on Sunday. All right, take care, guys. Good trading. Take care. Bye-bye.